Hi, good evening. My name is Balaji Srinivasan. I'm the executive chef here at the Taj Cidade Goa Heritage. Welcome to the Cidade function for 2024. Cidade happens every December, and it's an annual festival that we do, and it's an annual celebration that we do. And this is purely for the kids of Goa. And this is how we celebrate Christmas, wherein we have an array of games, we have an array of food. Food obviously being more concentrated as far as children are concerned, and the concentration of food is very, very high. And we make sure that there's enough variety, and even all the games are created with an atmosphere of making sure that we cater to everybody through all ages, all the way till the age of 14 to 18. This is what we do at Cidade. This is an evening that we dedicate to the beautiful festival of Christmas. As you can see, the kids around me are having a great time. There are kids, there are families, there are there are teachers, there's everybody here. My entire team is here to make sure that the kids have a great time. It's a nice evening that's filled with fun, it's games, Santa Claus, toys, and to celebrate everything, there's a whole array of food which is healthy and based on a menu that's totally dedicated to children.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.